Greetings, Biafrans, and greetings, lovers of freedom. Greetings, everyone. Let me use this opportunity to pass this message to JJ Okocha and the KANU Nwankwo and the other celebrities who are so stupid that that is what money cannot do in Igbo man's life does not exist. Now, congratulations to JJ Okocha for his foolishness. Congratulations to KANU Nwankwo for his stupidity. Igbo di nzuzu. Igbo di ezigbote nzuzu. Now, if I may ask, Obolo Kanjo, the reason Okocha and the KANU with the useless fake pastor called Taribo West, endorse Tinubu for? You are endorsing your ancestor to continue leading you. Where are the futures of the children of the people who you claim that you are their mentor? What message can I pass? Now, why you asking Ndi Igbo di nzuzu? Is it not the same Igbo? The same useless Igbo people. Naga for Igbo presidency. Mr. Ibu, people that say, pray for Mr. Ibu. Why will you pray for them? All these evil celebrities, that's evil Igbo celebrities that cannot for once stand for the truth and they speak for the people who made them what they are. Why will you be praying for them? Can you imagine Okocha of all people with KANU Nwankwo endorsing their ancestors for the president? You have not made up your time. You could be anything but start the marginalization of the people. You have not said anything about that. None of you have seen that the second Niger bridge have not yet completed, but you see it. Our people, we are being marginalized. We are being marginalized. And I have said it time without number. The people marginalizing in the Igbo are the stupid Igbo peoples. The person is absolutely right. The person the right. The reason person Okocha or full of any person, let's assume that he want to go into politics. We know KANU Nwankwo have declared his own intention to run for politics. Now, can message KANU Nwankwo is passing to Nigeria that Nigeria don't have future, that Igbos don't have future. You cannot see a competent young man to even endorse, so that we will know that you even go for the reason why you go there for politics is to make the useless country, if they can better, to give the upcoming generation future. But guess what? The evil they are doing, all these people, JJ Okocha, KANU Nwankwo, fake pastor, Taribo West, and all these people, they don't care about me and you. None of them care about us. They don't care about the promises. They don't care about the life of their unborn children. What they are after is their pocket. What they are after is their own money. What they are after is what they will benefit them. That is why you see them endorsing their ancestors. Now, if I may ask Okocha and the KANU Nwankwo, what happened to the Igbo presidency that you people are clamoring? Where is the Igbo presidency? Is Tinubu the Igbo presidency? The answer is no. Is all this Fulani John Okafor, which we know as Mr. Ibu, is endorsing Atiku Abubakar, a northern idiot. And that is why I am happy that poisoning him, because he don't deserve to live. Now, what happened to the people of Igbo? How can you now cure the marginalization? Igbo di nzuzu. Igbo di nzuzu, to be honest with you. I don't know if these Igbo people are being caused or what. What money cannot do in Igbo man's life does not exist. Nyonyi Igbo or legi sapali money ego wa again a drafo can they say Okocha na pass it to the people that even him don't have future? They say power belongs to the youth. Power belongs to the power. Give power to the youth. Where are the youth? Tinubu come out and told you that he is the youth. Imagine at the age of Tinubu going to 90 years, you are still endorsing that kind of person who crippled Lagos, who makes sure that every activity that is happening in Lagos, he collects the 50% of it, only one man. The Lagos toll gate, the whole money that is coming out from Lagos toll gate, who's supposed to be, the Lagos toll gate is supposed to be public, this thing, money. Tinubu pocket all these things. The bullion van during Buhari, this thing, is it not Tinubu? Now, what did Okocha see in Tinubu that make him to endorse him for 2023 presidency? What did the useless KANU Nwankwo? That is why no wonder they deny him best African best player. I mean, JJ Okocha, because these people are so useless. They don't think. Makachindi Igbo di nzuzu. These are our Igbo people. They are under course. To be honest with you, they are under course. If these people even come out to say that they are fighting for the Igbo presidency, it can be on that is you can understand it small. But the question I am asking now, if they even went, if they endorse a young person, at least 50 years or 40 years person, it will be more, at least people will see, okay, yes, these are celebrities are now coming out. They're endorsing young people. Now, okay, tell me, how old is Okocha? Okocha is 40 something years. Okocha did not see somebody like him to endorse. But out of money, once they pay you, you swallow your shame, swallow your pride, you go because you are working for your pocket. You are doing everything for your pocket. Hey, Igbo di nzuzu. That is why you see today, there is nothing like federal presidency in Igbo land. When I say Igbo land, in Biafra land, because the people who supposed to stand tall to speak for the poor masses in Biafra land, all of them are a slave, all of them are buncoms, all of them are non-entities, all of them are stupid and foolish. All of them are foolish. Igbo di nzuzu. Igbo di nzuzu. That is why anything in the Igbo genia, ejege mebie. Ejege mebie. KANU Nwankwo was once contested for the presidency of Edizu. What happened to you, KANU? Why can't you come out to contest? You are now telling the world that you are so incompetent, that you are so useless that you cannot even lead your own place. You went in Imo State to be building hotels and all those your necessary this thing. What are you now? Which message are you people passing to us? Which message? What message KANU Nwankwo and the JJ Okocha with the other criminal called Taribo West, he was parading himself as a pastor, fake pastor, praying as if God will answer that kind of prayer. JJ Okocha, you went to France. Here, you come to France. How old is Emmanuel Macron? How old is Emmanuel Macron, the president of France, the president of one of the most powerful country in the world? How old is Emmanuel Macron? We are talking about digital this thing, men. You are bringing us back to analog age. Okay, what would Tinubu offer? Any person in this Buhari administration that have not condemned the Lekki killing, Tinubu that masterminded the killing of Lekki people, the killing of Oduduwa and the Biafrans in Lekki Tollgate, in order to protect his selfish desire, selfish interest. Tell me, why are you endorsing him to kill Nigeria? Ask yourself, the Lekki Tollgate, the killing that happened to the Lekki, who covered it? And why is any person not talking about it? Is it not the same Tinubu? Is it not the same Tinubu? Now, what for some people, oh, that is here. Biafrans have a lot of work to do in our people's brain, because these so-called celebrities that we think that they have something in them, we don't know that they are all fools. They are all bunch of evil people. Hungry fools everywhere. Hungry fools. I must tell you nothing but the truth. Hungry fools. I am so disappointed in the foolishness of JJ Okocha. Congratulations for your foolishness. KANU Nwankwo, congratulations for your foolishness. You people are a bunch of disgrace to Igbo land. JJ Okocha and the KANU Nwankwo, both of you are a bunch of disgrace to Igbo land. The same thing is applicable to Mr. Ibu. Mr. Ibu, John Okafor, known as Mr. Ibu. I wonder why that poison no kill you. You are an idiot. What have you people done for Igbo people? When you people add film, Igbo people are the people to promote it. When you people have your product, Igbo people will promote it. But when it comes to what we promote or what will benefit the poor masses, the people that is using their one naira to make you people who you are today, you will deny them that very asset. You will go and sell it because you are a celebrity, because you have the chance. You now kill other people's future because of your selfish interests. You now make sure that the young, upcoming, vibrant youth then die while dreaming without achieving their dreams. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now, the question Naju JJ Okocha is this. What message are you passing? What are you trying to tell the youth? Tomorrow you say that the youth have future. You can never hear them talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You can never hear them talk about Biafra. Because Biafra is the only thing that will restore the future and the hope of the poor masses. That is why I asked them, as JJ Okocha, and do you know that in England, the money they are holding KANU Nwankwo in Portsmouth can create many clubs in Nigeria, and he give it to them. Poor man, when the poor man rich people, ego. The money KANU Nwankwo happen at Portsmouth. Oh, will create a football club na Imo State? JJ Okocha, how many football club can we in a Delta State? How many Delta people can they pick it up, make them to start playing? You tested football. You know that in this generation, football is one of the fastest way to make money. It's a lucrative career that you can put your Delta people, the people in Delta. How many people have you picked from Delta? At least with your level of standard of playing and experience and your connections, at least by now, you could have had 30% of the people that hail from your place in Delta State should be playing in France, England, because you have connections there. You are a PSG player. You played in Bolton. You played in Germany. You don't tell me you don't have connections in these places. What have you used your connection to do to your people? What have you used your connection? KANU Nwankwo, you are from Imo State. How many clubs do you have in Imo State? You are there recently because Tinubu give you money. You are building maternity hotels in Imo State. How many people have you people? How many football clubs? At least When you play with the people like Ronaldinho, you play with the people like Roberto Carlos, you play with the people like Ronaldo, De Lima Ronaldo. These people go to Brazil today. They are making sure that every stars in Brazil must come to the world. There is so many schools, football academies in Brazil today because people like De Lima Ronaldo, Cafu, Ronaldinho, Roberto Carlos, all these people, they make it happen. But look at you people. You are endorsing your great-grandfather to lead your children. Are you people not a disgrace? No. Are you people not a disgrace? Are you people not ashamed? Taribo West, how many people have you bring from your village? So for the whole zoo, that's contraption. You don't see any vibrant young man or young woman that you people can endorse. You don't see them. And when liver cancer hold you people now, your people will be pray for us. We need your prayer. That prayer will kill all of you. That prayer will kill all of you there. Mr. Ibu, I am happy they are using poison to teach you lesson because you don't see anything good. You cannot talk about Biafra because of your properties in Nigeria. That's why you cannot talk about Biafra. If you have property and you went and endorse Atiku, you are endorsing Atiku to become your president because he helped you. That poison is supposed to kill you. I don't even know why you are still alive. People like you don't deserve to live. All of you, why are you people not talking about Biafra? Because you don't want people to rise up and shine like you people. You don't want people to go up and shine like you people, right? Igbo nzuzu. That is why you will see Igbo campaigning for Igbo presidency. The same Igbo celebrities will be endorsing others. You see how foolish they are? You see the kind mumunes Igbo show. They are there contemplating to know if they will zone Igbo presidency. Why the Igbo celebrities are campaigning for what would I call it, for Northern presidency and Oduduwa presidency. The same Igbo, Okocha and KANU Nwankwo, both of you are disgrace. Both of you are, I am really disappointed. I am really, really disappointed. I must tell you, honestly speaking, both of you are disappointment to me. I don't see, I thought that both of you had something, at least two young men who have tested life abroad, who knows what life is all about. I thought both of you can give something. I think both of you have something to offer. I never knew that both of you are so useless and so stupid. I am so disappointed. I am so disappointed where both of you are. Because if anyone tell me that with the level of experience both of you have internationally and locally, that you people can descend so low to endorse an ancestor, person who's supposed to be your great-grandfather, I don't believe it. I will say it's a lie that both of you have grown past this level. Both of you are really disgraced to the entire Igbos. Share this video. Tag JJ, useless JJ Okocha. Tag useless KANU. Tag them. With their experience, they travel abroad. They see everything. They don't see anything they will bring to Igbo land. They don't see Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now tell me the kind of message these two people are passing through. What message are they passing to the young youth? What message are they passing to the people they call their mentors? They call them mentors. That they are now trying to tell the upcoming one that they don't have future. I am so disappointed in Jeju Okocha. I am so disappointed in KANU Nwankwo. KANU Nwankwo, you traveled. You played in Arsenal. Ask yourself, Arsenal in England, the leaders who are leading England, the people that are political leaders in Britain and England, how old are they? The people you people are endorsing, how old are they? Do you think that these people have what it takes to move that, to give youth anything? Igbo di nzuzu. Makachi, ndi Igbo di ezigbo nzuzu. Okay, yeah, this is a useless man art living in bondage. Igbos are living in bondage. I have KANU Nwankwo and Jeju Okocha have confirmed that Igbos are living in bondage. To be honest, the two legends that ndị Igbo kwesịrị iji na-eme ọnụ. Okocha ndị Igbo kwesịrị iji wee na-enwemi. People kwesịrị iji na-enwemi for their at least the way they perform. Okocha, what make you to retire in football, if I may ask you? Is it not your issue? You have, and then the President Olusegun Obasanjo refused to help you out, which forced your resignation letter, forced you to resign from the national team. Now you cannot correct that mistake, that young people cannot make that kind of thing. You are a footballer does not make that you don't have say. You are representing a nation. You see what is happening in Ukraine. You see how footballers in Ukraine that are from Ukraine are protesting. What is happening in Biafra land? Why are you people not talking about it? The houses that is burning. Why are you people not talking about it? You went and endorsed your great-grandfather. Congratulations to your nzuzu. Congratulations to your iberiberism. Congratulations to your stupidity. I am so ashamed of both of you. And Chineke ga unu na aboku. Liver cancer ga ejide unu. Chineke unu oku for playing with the life of the poor masses who will suffer with their sweat, suffer with the small money they have, and to support you as their celebrity, as their mentor. Instead of you people to fight to give those people a bright future by even endorsing people, like, even if you want to endorse person there, are you not seeing people like Moyalo? Are you not seeing young people that have the interest? Do you know that if Jeju Okocha and KANU Nwankwo endorse Omoyele Sowore, I will be more happy. I would know that these people have eyes. They can even at least Sowore have experience. Even if he want to be corrupt, he cannot corrupt all those like that. Igbo di nzuzu. Igbo di ezigbo nzuzu. To be honest, ndị Igbo di nzuzu. Why it pains me most is that these two people, our three of them, they have traveled abroad and they have played. They live in a country where there is a law, where there is electricity, where there is a good road, where there is all the kind anything that human being need. Jeju Okocha, if I may ask you, during your time in Paris, Saint-Germain, do NEPA take light? Do they off their light? KANU Nwankwo, during your time in Arsenal, if I am not mistaken, you spent more than 10 years in Arsenal. Do NEPA, do they take light while you are in Arsenal in London? See the light. The answer is no. What do you think that is the cause that Nenwehebe Weloko there? Is because the leaders are very vibrant and very, very active in actions, and they are young. The London people never endorsed their great-grandfather to come and lead them. We are in analog. We are no longer in analog generation. We are in digital generation. We are in computer age. What can Tinubu offer? What can Atiku offer? Both of you are disgrace. And as I am now here, if I decide to come down to Nigeria to that zoo for politics, then I will open my eye and endorse person like Tinubu or Atiku, who cannot speak. Okocha, I ask you, who masterminded the killing of Lekki? Lekki killing, who masterminded the killing? KANU Nwankwo, Lekki killing, who masterminded the killing? Who is covering up that killing till today? Both of you are guys. The blood of the innocent people that died in Lekki will continue hurting both of you. The blood of innocent people who died in Lekki will continue hurting both of you. Because both of you are now eating from the blood of innocent people who once rise up for the betterment of the country. But they were massacred, they were slaughtered, they were killed in their own cold blood. And both of you don't see anything bad. Both of you did not come out to protest the Lekki killing. Rather, you endorse the person that masterminded the killings. Both of you are now making mockery of the people who died in Lekki. Both of you are now feeding in a blood of innocent people. Both of you are doing this. How much do they give you? How much do they pay you? Don't you know that your integrity matters? You see the reason why the white people progress more than you people. You see the reason why you people in football career, both of you didn't get nothing. Because you are greedy. You are selfish. How many football clubs do the Okocha have in Delta State? How many football clubs? Okocha, with what you pass through in your career before you reach to the level you are, you're supposed to have a football team who will be going straight to the street, picking young, talented people and make them, sponsor them to have a bright future. But you did not. You will not do it. Rather, you will endorse your ancestors that you will soon die. KANU Nwankwo, where are your clubs? The money you buried in Portsmouth, you think I don't know? All the money Arsenal is owing KANU Nwankwo, Portsmouth is owing Okocha, and some of you are saying, let them use it. Selfish interests will kill all of you. Selfish interest will kill all of you, because all of you are bunch of disgrace to Igbo land. No wonder go one say that pay Igbo man money, he will fight against themselves. So there's no vibrant young Igbo man that you people can endorse to become president. So in the whole Imo state, KANU Nwankwo, you don't see any person that qualify for you to endorse. In the whole Delta State, Okocha, you don't see any qualified young man that you can endorse. For the whole Enugu State, Mr. Ibu, you don't see any young man that you can endorse. All of you are rushing to the north to endorse your grandfathers. I am so ashamed of you. I am so ashamed of you. Because you people are disappointment to the people. The people that are looking up to you people have shown the height of Iberiberism. And that Rochas Okorochas English. Unashamed, they shame me. Your savior is in prison. Masin Namdekan is in prison. Many people that protested in Lekki, and many of them are in prison today. Where is DJ Switch? He is on exile. Okocha, you did not speak about her. KANU Nwankwo, you did not speak about her. These are the people who come out to make the country a better place. But what happened? Tinubu and the late Buhari ordered for their shooting, ordered for their killing. Today you are endorsing the person who killed thousands of Nigerians. Okocha, are you not ashamed? Okocha, are you not ashamed? Igbo di nzuzu. I don't owe you apology. Igbo the extraordinary nzuzu. Igbo zuzu benu. Ndi Igbo zuzu benu. Bunch of fools. Bunch of nef. These people ndi Igbo deserve her. What Mazi Namdekan is passing through, to be honest with you. What Mazi is passing through today, Igbo people don't deserve it. Igbo people don't deserve to die for. They don't want it. To be honest. They don't want it. How want it at all? Because these people, how can, oh my God. Hey. Igbo dindu nesisi. Igbo. Unu nesisi. Unu lelele. Igbo lelele. Igbo psha. Igbo to fear unu. Now let me ask you, if they now deny the Igbo presidency, who will now speak up? KANU Nwankwo. Don't you know the power of celebrities? Don't you know the level you people are? Don't you know? Don't you people reason? How do you people reason at all? There is no more integrity person in Igbo land today. And when there's any integrity, watch for more disgrace. Of our 2023 election, it will show you how stupid and the foolish Ndi Igbo dey. Wait, by the time we enter the month of Mba, you will understand that Ndi Igbo is the extraordinary foolish. That what money cannot do in Igbo land does not exist. What money cannot do in Igbo man's life does not exist. Jejo Okocha of all people. You come to France, you see how developed France is. You go, you played in Germany, yes, you played in Borussia, not a Borussia Dortmund. I think a Borussia Mönchengladbach, I think. You played there. You see how Germany is. You see how Trumpland in Germany is all about. You see how the government of Germany make everything in Germany look like. You see how England is. You see how many France. These places you played, you never one day dream to make your country be like that. How old is their president? That is why I told you people that give an Igbo man money to test his faith, to test his resolute. The only money you will know how. Okay, Frankfurt. He played in Frankfurt. Now, all these clubs that you played, do you know that every German citizen who want to be a footballer now don't find it difficult to become to play a football, to become a professional footballer? Because when you watch the football clubs in Germany, these have reduced the unemployment in Germany, because Frankfurt, They will put once a what they will grow you, even if you don't represent in national level. But you will be playing and ending your career in they have a Frankfurt, they have a Berlin, they have a Bayern Munich, they have a Bayer Leverkusen, they have Shakhtar 04. They mention but if you not less than 30 to 30 something clubs, not more than 100 clubs are in Germany, and each of these clubs have not less than 23 players, 24 players, and they are paying them. Kudos to the government. Come to France. They have many clubs, Lyon, Lille, Paris Saint-Germain. Mention but a few. All these things are job opportunities, creates job creation. Kudos to the government. Come to Britain. You see them. Everybody want to play in Chelsea. Everybody want to play in Liverpool. Everybody want to play in Manchester United. Everybody want to play in Manchester City. Everybody want to play in Arsenal. Everybody want to play in mention but a few. Tottenham. All these things are the work of the government. Ask yourself, JJ Atolosa, how many requests have you made for Nigerian government to build the Nigerian Premier League? How many requests have you made for Nigerian government to build Nigerian football so that who have a football career calling or have a place to play it? What development have you brought to the people of Delta? What development have you brought to the people of Imo State? What have you done, Okocha and KANU Nwankwo? I am asking you, how many football clubs are in Imo State? Kudos to the KANU Nwankwo or courtesy of KANU Nwankwo. How many? You can never see it. You can go to Abuja. Many of our youth that are involving in Yahoo today, those that are involving in a ritualist today, the cause is because of unemployment. But we have people like KANU Nwankwo, who is busy building a state, campaigning for his ancestor to become his president. We have people like Okocha, Taribo West. How many people, how many football clubs, how many poor people have you raised from poverty? Go to Brazil. You have Ronaldinho in Brazil. They have people they are training. You have people like Delima Ronaldo. You have Cafu. You have Roberto. Mention but few. These are the government of Brazil that make these people to come to shine. Today, they have many football school in Brazil that is producing. That is why in every year, Brazil must have one superstar making waves in the world. Go and check it. Up till now, are you aware that Neymar is from Brazil? Are you aware that Coutinho is from Brazil? Are you aware that the many of the superstars you are hearing are from Brazil? That is why Africa have never produced have never carried a World Cup. Not that they don't have the talent, but they have people that are witches and wizards like Okocha and KANU Nwankwo. Samuel Eto'o, he played like you people. Go to his Cameroon and see what Samuel Eto'o is doing there. George Weah is the president of Sierra Leone today. A young man. What are you people bringing to Nigeria? Shame. Shame on all of you. Shame on you all. Shame on you all. Imagine George Weah will be endorsing a 19-year-old person to become the president of Sierra Leone. I mean Liberia, sorry. Imagine. Imagine Ronaldinho endorsing 19-year-old person to become president in Brazil. Imagine Zinedine Zidane endorsing a 900-year-old man to become president of France. Imagine it. Okocha, you are so shameless. Imagine Shevchenko endorsing 80 years to be president of Ukraine. Okocha, are you people not ashamed? Jejo, Oko, Hausa. Are you not ashamed of yourself? We are not denying them. They are our brothers. Okocha are our brothers, but they are foolish. We must tell them that they are stupid. We must tell them that they are so stupid that no, they are making Igbo people to look so foolish and so, oh my God, Chineke melume ebere. Hey, God, that is here. Keka Chineke juwe kenye ndi Igbo, kenye ha nzuzu na arụ. Kenye ndi Igbo, the most nzuzu ị ga-enweta na the whole world, you will find it in Igbo land. Imagine Keko Gaji Edege that Sterling or Rooney will be endorsing his great grandfather to become prime minister in England. How old is what is he called? Is he not Boris Johnson? How old is Boris Johnson? Emmanuel Macron is not up to 40 years. Are you people aware? Ejiro B card. Greetings from here. Emmanuel Macron, the president of France, is not up to 40 years. Or let me just say 40. It's not up to. How old is him? Imagine Patrick Evra endorsing his ancestor to become president. Okocha, you are a disgrace. KANU Nwankwo, you are a disgrace. I will not talk about the other criminal pastor called himself Taribo West. I know he's a criminal. 419. 419. I am not saying that you people don't have right to endorse person to become your president. You have right as the country you claim to be representing. But at least endorse a young person. Even if it's not an Igbo man, endorse to show that you have something in you. Is Omoyere Sowore not contesting for president? Is Anthony Moayalo not contesting for president? What happened to those young men? Oh, they don't give you people money. You don't receive money. It's not about money. Okay, thank you, Ejiro Bekad. 40 years. That means he was elected at age of 38 or 39. And you see where he's taking France. Today, he is making France proud. Now, Tinubu will make Nigeria proud. Tinubu that masterminded the killing of Lekki people. The same Tinubu and Atiku who keep quiet after the killing of the people who protest for betterment of Nigeria. They were slaughtered. Today, you are endorsing them. And Igbos are very stupid in nature. Our own stupidity, I don't know if we have a level in other people. That is, we are first class stupid group of people. Igbo, we are first class. Our own stupidity carry a grade A1. I know about first. Igbo, the stupidity of Igbo has grade 1, or well, second class, in all ramification. That is why you see that anything we are doing today, Igbo man will be a stumbling block because of money. Because of money. What is money? There is no more man that has integrity apart from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the 1 or 2 people. That is why you will see all of them talking like Ndablonu. Igbo di nzuzu. Igbo di ezigbo nzuzu. And that is why when you ask yourself, during the colonization, why is only Igbo people, this white people, penetrate and change their everything and give them this Christianity? Now you understand better that once you get an Igbo man, give him what he wants, he will sell his own fellow brothers for just Igbos are the Cain or the Abel, which one kill each other. The other one that kill his brother, that is Igbo for you. Igbos are Cain. Kill their own for just say their birthright. Igbos can say their birthright. Okocha, congratulations for your foolishness. Nwankwo KANU, congratulations for your foolishness. These people. What is money? Where is the integrity of a man? How many times have you people speak or say something about the incarceration of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Have you? You cannot. It's none of your business. You don't know what the man is passing through. I am so ashamed. If it is possible for me to deny the identity of Igbo and they wipe it out, I could have done that. But it's not possible because that is who I am. I will not deny the fact. I will not deny the fact that I am an Igbo man. I will not deny the fact. Our mumu too much. Our mumu done too much. To be honest with you, our mumu na follow come. Among the whole ethnic tribes that you can find in Biafra land today, the mumuness of Ndi Igbo that is that grade 1. I don't know if God just purposely create Igbo man to be this foolishness, to be this foolish in nature, because I see that foolishness is part of our nature. It's not something that we practice or we learn. It's part of our that is na follow come. God create and join us. Enviness. I am so disappointed. When you check the world, the happening, do you know that a child of 30 years, not a child, a 30 years old man here in Europe, many of them don't know what generator is called. They don't know what is generator. Generator that is raining in Africa. If you come here, before you will explain before they're nothing to understand what you are trying to call generator, because they don't know. They are not using it. The people who are using generator are those people who there is something they call caravan. Those motor that has bed that anywhere you reach, you will sleep. They cook inside. Those are the people who carry generator. Maybe they will use it to do their market. If they go to some places where they are because they are not in the house, they travel about. But say a citizen of Italy, you call generator, they don't know what it is. Go to France, they don't know what generator is. In a na filling station, you will see person carrying jerry can to buy fuel. For what? You have your car, put your fuel in the car. What will you buy fuel? Put a jerry can to go and use to what? To burn human being? I am so disappointed to the both of them. It doesn't matter where they come from. They are Igbos. My sister, no need. They are Igbos. Okocha is an Igbo man. KANU Nwankwo is an Igbo man. They are so stupid and foolish. So Okocha want to tell me that in Delta State, you cannot see a vibrant, uprising young man that can lead Nigeria. Oh my God. Oh my God. Who will save the poor masses of the zoo? Who will save us? Any person we look up to will disgrace us, will sell us. Every opportunity they have, they sell us. Every opportunity they have, they will betray us. That is why the only eyes the people of the old eastern region has now is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody else. Once any other person, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, God forbid bad thing, drop this Biafra, we are gone. In fact, we are doomed. Because I have not seen any person who can take that mantle without selling us for just some of 50 billion. They will sell us. Egon Kitty, I may promise. Vice President, ask Dave Umahi. Did they pay Dave Umahi to kill his own people? He killed his own people in order to carry the slot of president. The only person that is still standing now is only Nnamdi Kanu. I not tell you, I say old Eastern region. The only hope we have now is Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra restoration. Every other person, don't think they will just collect their own share from Tinubu and do the right thing. As they collect that share, they will continue fooling you. They are so stupid. Where is the integrity of a man? Where are the integrity? That is how Ruth to me Amechi, another Igbo slave in River State, destroy good luck Ebele Jonathan, second tenure to become president of Nigeria. Today, where is the Amechi? Where is the little Adolf Hitler of River State? Oh my God. Where is Amechi today? Where is Pastor Tunde Bakayare, who said that Nigeria need to be saved under Jonathan? Why is Nigeria no longer saved? Who said Juju Cham no day? That person that they lie. If you can protest for price of fuel for 85 naira, why are you buying it quietly 250 naira now without any protest? Why? Why? Ogodi kwakwa. They go the people who has the morale to do something. These people have used jazz to turn their face. Everything they are doing is good. Ome Penny, greetings from here. They have killed our people. Do you know that if person like Jejo Okocha, person like KANU Nwankwo, person like Taribo West, if these people carry placard to come on the street, say that Nigerian football need to be reformed, Nigerian Premier League need to be reformed, these people will know that, we will know that these people have integrity. Have they done that? No. It's endorsing their ancestors to become their leader, which thunder will fire all of them. I am so disappointed. A footballer, and they are watching Nigerian football dying. If you don't have money, you cannot showcase your talent. Okocha, you are a disgrace. I will leave you here. I will leave you guys here, but I am so ashamed of these two big-ass fools that Igbo have produced. Ndala, mad people everywhere. Mad people everywhere. I am so disappointed. To be honest with you, I am so disappointed. But guess what? I am not surprised. Because what money cannot do in an Igbo man's life does not exist. Igbo man can do undo because of money. That is why you need to, every Biafrans need to do everything within their power to make sure that Biafra is restored. To make sure that we protect Nnamdi Kanu, to make sure that we protect IPOB, and to make sure that we protect everything that Mazi put in a place. We need to protect it, because if these people destroy IPOB, my brother, ask yourself, if these people destroy Mazin and they can destroy IPOB, who will lead us? Who will go? Where will we go from here? All of us, imagine you think you are abroad, you will remain there a slave forever. Isakatefele. Ikwete no neme. Ibu is dying, and I don't want him to die. Let him continue suffering until he regain his integrity. And a bit of we are poison on an endorsed article. Chinwike Dominic, thank you. Happy Sunday. On this note, I say, remain blessed, everyone. And always put Mazin Nnamdi Kanu in prayer, because that is the only hope Biafrans have. Don't put hope in Dave Umahi. Don't put hope in Okezi Bazu. Don't put hope on hope. Don't put hope to Ugunsi Fanyi Ugunsi. Don't put hope to George Obiozo Nyanwodo. Don't put hope to Enyinyabari. Don't put hope to Senator Uzodinjo and Okorawusa. Don't put hope in Jojo Okocha. That is why they deny him African Cup of best African player in Africa. That's why they deny him, because he's so evil and stupid. Selfish interest. We need to protect Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, because I have seen that nobody else can withstand 5 million or 50 billion. 1 billion, you will buy all of them. I cannot talk about our Igwes. Those ones are so useless and so shameless. Ndi Igbo di nzuzu. Our mumu never too much. Igbo have grade 1 in their stupidity. In betraying, they are first class. To become a stumbling block, they are first class. Anything you are doing in this world, Igbo is the bad luck of it. Anything that has to do with progress of the poor masses, Igbos are the bad luck of it. Igbos are the bad thing. I know others are bad, but I don't know how to classify it. We are not ashamed of ourselves. If we are, we could have known something. On this note, I will leave you guys here, and I say God bless every one of you. God bless our Eastern Security Network. God bless our Lego team. God bless Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, and God bless IPOB worldwide, those that are genuine fighting for this restoration of Biafra. God bless you all. God bless DOS. God bless MAP Zukubundo. One na Biafra land. God bless you all. And remain blessed until I come your way again. Remember, always say the truth the way it is. Stand for the truth, regardless of who is involved. Stand for the truth. Say no to anything changing of Biafra name. And God bless you, Ejiro Bikad. God bless you, MNO. God bless you, and God bless you, Chinwike Dominic. God bless you all who make out your time to listen to this very program. God bless you all, and try to share it. Invite others, and remain blessed until I come your way again. I remember my humble self, MAP Ezioku Bundu, one na Biafra land. No retreat, no surrender until we reach our destination, which is Biafra restoration. We will never back down. Remain resolute and remain focused. Don't lose focus. Don't allow people to distract you. Don't allow anyone to distract you. Don't allow anyone to confuse you. Put your all hands must be on deck for Biafra restoration. All roads lead to Biafra restoration. Thank you and remain blessed.